This is the K2 from Farid in collaboration with Spyderco knives. Just checking the sharpness of the edge. A little bit plastic pallet wrapping, polypropylene rope. Sharpness is obviously degraded. Struggling a little bit with the rope. Have to use quite a bit of force. Take some garden hose, make a few cuts. This is also significantly influenced by the edge thickness and angle, as is the cutting of the wood. At this point I notice how uncomfortable the handle is when I use a lot of force. Just do a little blow up. This cutout for the lock bar is very squarish. None of these points are rounded or chamfered at all. Very high contact pressure. Now do see if I can make some very fine shavings on the wood as a last check on sharpness. And I can easily make an extremely fine curl. Do a blow up now just to show that again in a bit more detail. No problem. Okay, what was the point of all this? What am I actually showing? Well, this is a check done after I did this. This is some used carpet. It's very dirty, obviously. It's been oscillating around 0 degrees lately, so this carpet is also sort of semi-frozen. It's mainly thawed out now, but it was frozen just yesterday, and the temperature now is just above 0. The sharpness tests that I did just before this were after I finished all of the carpet cutting, and I did 1,000 slices in total, similar to what I'm doing here. This video is mainly just to ask a question, to explore a topic. Would you consider the performance in regards to edge retention as shown by this knife as being good, bad, or ugly? Is it okay? Is it super? Is it excellent? Or just fair or poor? Or extreme? I'm going to explore this in a bit more detail with a subsequent video where I'll talk about the performance relative to some other knives and just talk about standards in the knife industry and the kind of problems we have because they're not clearly evident. This is the edge of the knife after all the carpet cutting. The edge bevel is at 7 to 8 degrees per side, and it has a 15 degree per side micro bevel with extra coarse DMT stone.